In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 16 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that usually shows up when Steam is having trouble updating or accessing certain files, but don't worry, the fix is actually very straightforward. I'll walk you through each step so you can get back to gaming without any frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. And I mean fully close to it, not just clicking the X. Sometimes Steam keeps running in the background, which can cause this error to stick around. So here's what you do. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list of processes and find anything related to Steam. You'll usually see steam.exe or multiple instances of it. Click on each one and hit End Task. This ensures Steam is fully shut down and not interfering with any updates. Next, restart your computer. This step might seem simple, but it's actually very important. Restarting clears any locked or stuck files that Steam might be struggling to access. A lot of update-related errors, including error 16, happen because files are in use or stuck in memory. So go ahead and restart your system before moving on. Once your computer is back on, open Steam again. When you launch it, Steam will automatically check for updates and attempt to fix any missing or corrupted files. Let it fully load and complete any updates before doing anything else. This alone can often resolve the error. If you're still seeing the issue, the next step is to verify the integrity of your game files. This checks your installed game for missing or corrupted data and replaces anything that's broken. To do this, go to your Steam library, find the game that's causing the problem, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan everything and fix any issues it finds. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it run. After the verification is complete, try launching your game again. In most cases, this completely resolves Steam error 16 and gets everything working normally. And that's it. A simple but effective way to fix Steam error 16 without needing any complicated tools or reinstallations. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.